Well, good morning, and it is a really nice morning again today. It's just after 7 in the morning, and it's already 15 degrees, going up to 18, gonna be cloudy. But yeah, we've been really having great weather this trip. Today we are on quite a hike. We are hiking way into a section of river I've been to, but then we are kind of gonna bushwhack up to a new section, kind of keep it in theme with our trips up here. We always like to check out some new water. So we are gonna bushwhack in and check out a whole new stretch of river. Looks good on Google Earth anyway, so hopefully it's good. But yeah, targeting mainly trout and salmon today again. So looks like it's gonna be a great day. Hopefully the fish cooperate. So yeah, stick with me today and see how I make out. Well, super hot and sweaty, but we've made it into this new section and it's so cool seeing new water. I just love the whole experience just getting into here. We saw so much neat stuff. And then the bushwhacking and the work and the sweat, but it all makes it worthwhile to get into these places where realistically, I don't know that anyone's been here in a very long time, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, if the fishing matches the scenery, we'll be all set. But gonna get fishing now, but yeah, just gonna take a breather, kind of cool off and have a drink and get ready to fish, because yeah, that's a lot of work getting in here, so hopefully it pays off. Fish. Oh. I don't even know what it was. It wasn't a brookie. Coho. I guess you can't win them all, and it's a good start. At least you got a bite, but I actually think that was a coho. So that's kind of cool. We'll keep at it. Absolutely beautiful fish. We'll get him back now. Look at the dragonfly. There he goes. Nice. Just gonna get this little guy back. Beautiful little fish. Look at it. Well, it's starting to pay off. We've hooked a lot of fish, we just haven't landed a lot of fish, but got some brookies. I jumped off 2 what I think are cohos. They just airborne right away and just couldn't keep them buttoned, but still having a lot of fun. I mean, I got a couple of really pretty little brookies, a couple cohos, and then one little tiny rainbow. So yeah, having fun. No giants yet, but exploring this new water is just so much fun. A lot of really cool stuff we're seeing. So catching a few fish, so far so good. So hopefully it continues on. What a beaut. There he goes. What a crazy fish. Oh, salmon. What a pretty fish. Jump like crazy, so. The brook trout. Nice one. Easy, easy, easy. There he is. Look at that. So pretty. Gorgeous. Well, I guess he didn't really want to go that bad. He kept coming back at me all the time. But oh, what an awesome little fish. Like, again, so pretty, so colorful. Those brookies, just love catching them. So I know there's bigger ones in here, so we're going to keep at it till we get one of these big ones. Well, I think that's it for this area. We're gonna head out now. So not a disappointing day at all. We never caught some of the big fish that we heard were rumored here, but we did catch quite a few brookies, caught a couple cohos, lost a ton of fish, and just again explored a lot of really new country that we've never seen before. And it is absolutely beautiful up here. So I'm so glad we did it anyways. A lot of hiking, it was a lot of work, and now I have a lot of work to get back out of here. But really awesome time in here, and yeah, hopefully if we make it out in time, we're gonna go hit another spot before dark. But yeah, it just depends how fast we can get out of here. But yeah, great time in here anyways. We did catch a good variety of fish, and those brook trout were just absolutely beautiful. So really enjoyed this time here. But now the work begins to get ourselves out of here. So we are not going to get out of here on time. We just noticed what time it was. We're like, yeah, there's no way we're going to get out of here on time. So we're just going to goof around a little bit more in a couple more holes, and then, yeah, then make our way out. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you'll stick around to see what we do tomorrow. We don't even know what we're doing tomorrow yet, but we only probably have about a half a day tomorrow to fish, and then we're hooking up the boat and taking off. So I don't know what we're doing yet tomorrow, but we'll be on a river somewhere tomorrow in the morning, and then maybe by early mid-afternoon we are gonna hook up the boat and take off to the next part of our adventure. But I hope you enjoyed today, and I hope you'll come back tomorrow and see what we get up to then.